Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we'll show you how to remove armrest, lid cover, the top cover on it, on a BMW E46. You can have two options guys when you buy one. Just the cover itself. You can buy real leather or the fake leather. One is 18 bucks, the other one is like 30 bucks. We got a fake one right here. It's cheaper, but you can see if you wash this one, it will be the same cover. But you can see it's really close, but this one is really dirty, cracked, so it has a lot of dirt in the pores, so it's not exactly the same. So stay with us and we'll show you how to replace it now. I don't know if what it's going to turn out, if it's going to be good or not, so we'll try to learn together how to do that. Okay, so there is a couple of lids right here that we'll need to remove. With a small screwdriver you can do that if you get it stuck there. It's not easy because they're pretty tight. And underneath we have two screws with a Phillips screwdriver that we'll need to remove, as you can see right here. And it's a very small screwdriver as well. Okay, one is out, one more to go. Okay, those are the screws, that's what they look like. Okay, those two rubber bushings, kind of like clips on front, you need to pull those out. Sometimes those will break guys. Like this one was almost broken. And now you should be able to remove the lid. Okay, that plastic cover lid right now. And that's the locking button right here. So again, two screws right there, we can remove it out of the way. Okay, right there. It's not that complicated, but it takes time and practice to get those things right. Okay, let's see how we can remove it now. Okay, just like that. And you can see that's what we got here now, the cover guys. So we need to unglue that old cover now, the leather. We'll be reusing the foam. You need to reuse the foam guys. So well, yeah, we need to see what's going to turn out, because sometimes they don't turn out as good as you think they would. So if they don't, at least you know how hard it is to do it guys. Okay, that one there is pretty tight. Almost out, just one side left. Okay, right there. You can see the foam is stuck to it, so try not to break it there. Okay, like that. And that's what we have left now. And now we need to clean the old glue. You can use a knife just to scrape it a little bit, and then we can use alcohol. Okay, alcohol on a rag, and it will clean it really good. Okay, right there. Okay, just wipe it good. You need to make sure that there is nothing greasy, nothing dirty, because otherwise the spray glue will not work on it. It needs to be really clean. Now we're using Loctite spray glue 300 professional series guys, and Okay, you need to spray one coat on the edge of the. Okay, we need to clean the nozzle first because we used it the other day and we didn't clean it. You need to spray one coat all the way around the edges where the other one was glued. So that's what we need to do now. Okay. You can see that's what we're getting now. Okay, on the outside as well a little bit here where it's going to glue as well. And now we need to do the edges of the cover as well. Okay, we need to do a little bit more here. Now we need to let it dry for about, it says on different glues it's different, but this one usually it recommends probably about 2 to 5 minutes between coats to dry. Okay, you can see right here. And if you don't wait, it's not going to get stuck to each other, so you need to wait some time. Alright guys, it's dry now to the touch, so that's what you need. And now we're going to start working on it. You need to start from one end first. Okay, you can see right here, first you need to attach it good. And it's getting pretty good there. Now we'll need to do the same thing to this side. Make sure it's leveled, it's where it's supposed to be. And the rest we need to do right here. You need to fold it really good. Pull it. Okay, you can see how it gets stuck. And we're going to actually put a clip there to hold it, so it doesn't move while we're working on it. Okay, just like that. And one on the back. We need to keep doing the rest of it now. Yes, please. Okay, and we're gonna start now putting a little bit on this side. Okay, more right here. And then somehow we need to get it right here really tight. So I think it turns out pretty good so far. Just leave a clip right here so it holds it good. Okay, and I think we can try to install the lock here. You just need to make sure you clear the holes for the screws and see if it's going to fit now. We're going to trim it here a little bit because the lock will not fit. Okay, we'll see if it's going to fit now. Just make sure you don't get too much to the outside. Those two notches need to go right here. So you need to make sure everything's supposed to go where it is. Okay, where it's supposed to go. And we just need to push it a little bit now to install a screw. Okay, there is only 2 screws, and one thing about those armor lids that you can replace only the lock if yours is broken. Just 2 screws once you take it off, so it's pretty simple. That's what I like about those. And now trying to get the second screw. Those are pretty small, so. Okay, right there now. And we're going to remove the clips now. Okay, one on the front. And this one, the rubber bushings, you can actually go ahead and install those. Those are when you close it not to be making a noise. Okay, there is 2 clips here, and one on the front, but as you can see, this one is broken here. So we need to make sure we get the one in the front first, and it goes in an angle. Okay, and then right here we have one that we need to push a little bit. Okay, this one is still not there, so we need to make sure we get this one here. So we need to pull it out again. We need to make sure the front and the side go at the same time. Okay, like that. Oh, it's still popped out. Okay. And that looks good now. All we have to do is install the 2 screws on the back, the same screws that we have for the lock, with a Phillips screwdriver, and let's see how that thing is going to look now on the car. You should let it dry, guys, for probably, we'll recommend a couple hours, even 24 hours with the clips on. That way it will hold it good and it will not move anywhere when you put everything together. Okay, right there now. And let's see if it looks better than what we had before. Don't forget to install the 2 caps for the screws right here, the one that we took off. And that's what we have right now, guys. That's a new cover. It has a little bit of a wrinkle here because it was in the box, but other than that, everything looks good. This is operational. Okay, so you can see that's what we had before. Okay, the one with the big hole, and that's what we have now. It looks pretty good. It looks tight. It looks kind of original. I don't think you can even tell that it's been replaced. So we're gonna go ahead, install it in the car and see how it looks there. Okay guys, we just installed it. You can see that's what it looks like. Fully functional. Okay, you can open it like that. It looks great compared to what it was. We need to do some work on the seats as well. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.